Yeah, it's your boy Mavo, bars on bars, no cap. Chillin' with the homies in the studio, what's up? Listen, yeah, I'm stainless harder than steel, tryna get me a meal. They fucking say I ain't lyrical, watch me switch it, it's magical. Funny how these bullets been shining, they claiming headshots. Now I'm going higher cause niggas too busy smoking pipe, forget the spot. All of this action inside my fucking ride. Niggas wanted action, I gave them, but now they backing out. Clients are making money by piece of paper, confusing them. Inking all these coffers ain't something that's fucking new to them. I'm losing them, I'm proving that nigga from the south, but a product back from the A-Town. Local got me spitting a glimpsy portion of knowledge. Now this is what you call rap, I ain't set in a trap, just wanna set this on map. Like monkey see, monkey through, they all wanna rap. I got this all from the streets, two niggas battle a beast. Didn't know that this is a feast. Niggas breaking place with nothing but punchlines and victory pride. They head like most of these rappers, they tryna cut my throat alive, but I'll be owning the stack. I use my brain as an ace, you see my pen game retarded. Coffin drop just started, flow move I mastered, catch up on no master. Listen, fuck the trip, I got words. Can't you see all of this ZNA forces driving my DNA? All I do is just pick and play, all this passion inside my DNA, my nigga. I've been shooting and aiming, these niggas been talking, they claiming all of the lines. Listen, propelling my words, I know when I be passing, I just leave a plane. Propelling my words, listen, the sky ain't the limit. I'm trying to show all these midgets that I'm the dopest, and nothing in the H-Town, you know it's dope, Mavo, nigga.